Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called the St. Patrick's Day collaboration, and that's hosted by Crafty Girl Down South. So I'm going to be linking the host and the channel link down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure to watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody decided to decorate for St. Patty's Day. So now, as you can see here, already started decorating my coffee table to set up this vignette. So I'm going to be moving stuff around and showing you the items that I'm using, and most of them are from the Dollar Tree. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I hope that you enjoy the video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. I hope that you click that like button because that helps my channel to grow. And then I hope you full watch the video and comment below because I would love to hear from you. And now for all you faithful subscribers, you don't know how much I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's jump into the video. Okay, so I think I'm happy with the way this is looking. Like the candles, let's go over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.